guys, happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is going to be from April the 30th through May the 6th. And let me show you, I had a request to do the Monkees. Now I watched this group, I think it was more like in reruns in the 70s. I'm not really sure. I didn't watch them a lot, but they were funny. I remember their TV show. I do remember that. So I made my own stickers, and then I saw this paper and it reminded me of one of their scenes that I found to make a sticker out of. So I love this just sort of chevron, bright colorful, and then this sort of tie-dye look. And then I found this washi, and I really think it's gonna look nice. And I'm gonna use one of these pens from Dollar Tree, I would say. So let me take my paper out of my planner. I'm really glad that everybody loved my John Wayne spread that I did. I really enjoyed doing that. Okay, as far as the paper goes, I want this paper to be my dominant one, so I'm gonna use this. I think this will be a really cute spread. Because like I said, I really did enjoy their TV show. Okay, so let's lay our paper down. But I think this is going to be really cute. All right, let's start putting our paper down. I really do enjoy making my own stickers. It opens up a whole world of things that you can do. And I bought my paper at Michael's. They were having a sale. Seems like they always have a sale here lately on their paper. Oh, I think that's going to suit them nicely because they were kind of quirky. Okay, let's put our washi down. And I just think this is totally going to be great for washi. And this is just Scotch brand washi. Oh, that's cute. They were definitely colorful. And I think I'm going to put down this side some more of this. Oh, that's cute. All right, now here are my stickers. This just says the Monkees Greatest Hits, and you can see this, we'll put this right here. This sort of just brings out all the colors that were in my paper and washi. And then this is just a picture of the group. And I think I'm going to put this one right here. And then this is the one that I remember from the TV show. It came on and it would have them pushing the bed down the street. Put that one right there. And then this one of Davy Jones, I think I'm going to put this one right down here. And then this is the one that I was telling you about, the stripes that I found. That's what gave me the inspiration for this. So I'm just going to put this about right in here, kind of split the difference. And then this one, I can't remember his name. I don't know if it was, seems like it might have been a Peter or something like that, but I can't remember, but I'm going to put him right there. Then here's the group, once again, playing their music. And I'm going to put this one right in there. And then I'm going to put this one. Their show was kind of corny, but I always liked it. I'm going to put this one right here. This is the group. And then I printed one off that had a heart on, a harp on it. And I think I'll put that one right in there. And then this is the drummer. Put him right in there. And I can't remember this guy's name. He was the blonde. And then here they are with their little red, kind of like a Nehru jacket. I'm gonna put this one about down here. And then finish it off with this that just says the Monkees. But I think that turned out really cute. Now I think I may write in green. I think that's what I'm gonna do. All right, let's put this back in my planner and see how this turned out. But I think it's really cute. I've had a good time doing this. This was such a good suggestion. It's so cute and colorful and just kind of quirky like they were. I really do love how it turned out. I love the paper. I love this washi, and it picks out all the vibrant colors that they had in their shows and in their clothing. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.